How to set up email filters in cPanel. This demo assumes you've already logged into cPanel and are starting on the home screen. Now let's set up an email filter. Click the User Filters icon. Then click the Manage Filters link next to the email account you want to create a filter for. Then click Create a new filter. Enter a name for the filter. Then specify the rule. Now define an action for the rule. In this case, the action is to deliver the email to the inbox. To finish, click the Create button. That's it. The filter has been created. You can always return to this screen to create new filters or edit or delete existing ones. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to set up email filters in cPanel.
Thank you for watching. If you need more help, please contact Flaminqo Help Center. Our agents will be more than happy to help. Flaminqo Hosting.